If you thought foldable phones were a gimmick, you're about to be proven wrong. This isn't just about screen size anymore, it's about a new kind of smartphone intelligence. We're in 2026, and the foldable wars are settled. We have the definitive list of the 5 best foldable phones of the year, tested for durability, camera prowess, and that seamless user experience. We're talking Samsung, Motorola, OnePlus, and Google. Stay tuned, because the future of mobile is unfolding right now. Starting off strong, we have the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7. This phone is for the person who wants a high-powered smartphone that actually fits in a small pocket. While the Flip series has always been about form, the Flip 7 finally brings flagship function. The major benefits here are its compact design, the powerful processor, and the upgraded high-resolution 50-megapixel camera. But the real game-changer for 2026 is the integration of advanced Samsung AI smartphone features, optimizing everything from battery consumption to photo quality. It's snappy, beautiful in blue shadow, and built for the modern social user. The only drawback? While the battery is long-lasting, it still has to power that large foldable display, so heavy users might need a midday top-up. Next, if you like the flip form factor but demand ultra performance, meet the Motorola RAZR 60 Ultra. This international version is a spec beast. The standout feature is the sheer power under the hood. A massive 16 gigabytes RAM paired with a huge 512 gigabytes of storage. This phone is designed for hardcore multitasking and gaming. The dual SIM capability, Nano and eSIM, also makes it perfect for international travelers or professionals juggling work and personal lines. Its striking Pantone Mountain Trail colorway ensures you stand out. What's the downside? As an international unlocked version, US users might miss out on some carrier-specific features, but the hardware more than makes up for it. Now we pivot to the book-style foldables, and the OnePlus Open remains the benchmark for productivity. This device is all about giving you a true tablet experience in your pocket. Its greatest strengths lie in its sustained performance. The 120Hz fluid display inside is arguably the best in the business for visual fidelity, and the combination of 16 gigabytes of RAM and 512 gigabytes storage makes running multiple apps side by side feel instantaneous. Plus, the 67-watt fast charging gets that large 4,805 milliamp hour battery topped up incredibly fast. And of course, the Hasselblad camera system continues to deliver color accuracy that competitors struggle to match. The drawback? It's physically wider than the competition when folded, making it a bit chunky for smaller hands. If software intelligence is your priority, then the Google Pixel 10 Pro Fold is the only choice. This is the device where Google's AI ecosystem truly shines. The core benefit is the Gemini AI assistant integration, which is deeper than ever, allowing for true contextual computing across applications. Imagine Gemini organizing your foldable screen layout based on your current task, or instantly transcribing and summarizing documents while you watch a video. Plus, the camera system, featuring an advanced triple rear camera system, uses Google's computational photography to deliver unparalleled quality, and a 24+ hour battery life ensures it lasts your entire day. The drawback is minor. The moonstone color, while beautiful, is a fingerprint magnet, so grab a case. The flagship, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. If you need the biggest, most immersive screen experience, this is still the king. The Fold 7 takes the large screen concept and perfects it. While it shares the AI smartphone core with its Flip sibling, the Fold 7 leverages AI photo edits and advanced multitasking features like never before on its large display. This is the phone for the executive, the power user, and the gamer who wants maximum screen real estate. The long battery life is also better managed now thanks to those deep AI optimizations. The drawback is the price. This remains the most expensive foldable on the market, putting it out of reach for many. So which one is right for you? If you prioritize style and portability, grab the Flip 7. If you live in your apps and need raw speed, the Motorola RAZR 60 Ultra is your powerhouse. For the ultimate productivity and best tablet in a pocket experience, it has to be the OnePlus Open. The Pixel 10 Pro Fold wins on intelligence and camera, but for the biggest screen and the ultimate overall productivity platform, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 reigns supreme. Don't forget, all 5 phones are linked in the description below for the current best prices. Hit that like button, subscribe for more tech deep dives, and tell us in the comments, flip or fold. See you in the next video.